Hello everyone. In today's world, technology has advanced a lot. That's why there are so many huge projects. Today we will look at giant bulldozers. You will fall in love while watching these viral videos. You can also find many new things. If you want more such videos to come, you can support us by liking this video. So let's start. The ACO Super Bulldozer is the largest and most powerful track bulldozer ever made. The ACO Super Bulldozer was constructed mainly of Caterpillar parts, however, many other components were specially adapted. The dozer blade, for example, is bigger than anything Caterpillar has ever made. The Caterpillar D11T is a large bulldozer produced by Caterpillar Incorporated. It is designed for tough earth-moving applications, such as mining, construction, and heavy-duty material handling. The D11T has a gross power output of up to 935 horsepower and a weight of over 230,000 pounds. The Komatsu D575A3 dozers offer reliability, versatility, and the best value for your money. Their hydraulics, powertrain, and frame, and all other major components are directly engineered by Komatsu and work together to deliver optimal production levels. The Komatsu D575A is a 1,150 horsepower, 860 kilowatts tractor crawler produced in a SR or Super Ripper bulldozer/Ripper configuration, or as a dedicated bulldozer in the form of the SD or Super Dozer. Both models can move 90 cubic yards, 69 cubic meters, of material per pass using the standard blade. Fiat Alice continued production after the merger, calling the dozer the HD41B. Attachments included bulldozer blades up to 20 feet wide in semi-U and full U options, and a cushioned push block for push-loading scrapers. Power and innovative technology are essentially the hallmarks of Liebherr crawler tractors. Either in heavy-duty ripping work, transporting materials, or grading, the Liebherr PR776 Latronic crawler dozer is an extremely powerful machine for any application. The Shantoué SD90C5 is a bulldozer model produced by Shantoué Construction Machinery Company, Limited. It has a net power of 328 kilowatts, 430 horsepower, and an operating weight of approximately 84,000 kilograms. The mobile walking excavator is not an excavator in the conventional sense of the word. Its strengths come into their own in areas where others are unable to compete. Whether deployed on steep slopes in alpine regions, an Indian metropolis, or Florida's swamps, the Kaiser mobile walking excavator never fails to attract attention. The S8, S10, and S12 all-road represent the latest generation of Kaiser mobile walking excavators. They set new standards in performance and efficiency. The excavators incorporate an impressive number of technical innovations as well as modern looks.